All right, in this video, let's talk about you only have 90 minutes after work. What should you actually work on? So you guys can see in this video and in this training, I created the 7-part training series for you guys, right? So maybe perhaps you guys never heard what a landing page is, or maybe perhaps you guys never heard what a thank you page is and all this aspects, or even a funnel. So you guys can see all this training that I've created for you guys is that my goal in these videos is to help you guys to learn the actual ways of what a funnel is, what a landing page is, and a thank you page. So if you don't know what that is, I highly suggest that you guys go in towards this trainings so you guys can actually see and understand this kind of online business, because my whole goal is to help you to become an independent digital marketer, especially when it comes towards this online space. Okay, and the cool part about it is that I'll be teaching you guys a business that start with no product, inventory, or customer support. Okay, and by showing you guys this, because the cool part about it is that it's going to open so many doors for you. Okay, and by the time when you start to learn about these kind of terminologies, especially when it comes towards this online space, you're going to understand, like, oh, okay, I understand that. Okay, now I understand that. And it's going to open more doors for you guys. Okay, so you guys can see, I show you guys about, let's create your lead capture page. Okay, let's create your lead capture page part 2, and all this kind of assets, creating your thank you page, and all this stuff that I'm sharing with you guys. So if you guys only have 90 minutes after work, this is what I'll go into, learn about this, learn about the online space, and from there you got so many doors that can potentially open for you guys. Okay, yeah, show you guys all this, and also show you top affiliates offer spreadsheet. Okay, these are a whole bunch of offers that you guys can be promoting right now. Okay, and all you guys got to do is just hover on towards file, make yourself a copy, and the cool part is that you create an account, a free account, so you become the affiliate person. And the cool part is that you can promote it 100% free. That's the awesome part about it. Repurpose.io is basically a social media platform where you can actually diversify by posting and uploading one post, and it will help you diversify towards all your social media platforms just by, instead of doing it manual work. And I believe that everybody needs that, right? So I also put that, and you guys can check these out. Okay, and yeah, just hover on towards file, make a copy, and yeah, so the whole point of this is what I'll focus on. Okay, if you only have 90 minutes after work, what should you actually work on? I suggest that you guys go through it, learn a whole bunch, and from there you start creating your own content, and from there you're gonna start to have all these aha moments. Okay, now if you guys would like to check out this 7-part training series, click the button below this video. Okay, so you guys can go and get your and understand the space. Okay, this is crucially important. Things are changing, especially when all these people are getting laid off in this kind of aspects. My goal is to help you guys to learn the fundamentals and actually learn and open doors for you. Okay, so you guys can see, check it out. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video.